Now, if you want to make app icons bigger on your iPad mini 7, it's not hard to see why, right? Sometimes they're kind of just hard to look at. So if you want them bigger, I'm going to go through a couple different ways you could do this and not too complicated. So the first thing you want to do here is just open your settings app and you want to go to the home screen and multitasking option. Now, when you do that, you want to then click home screen layout. This is where you're going to be able to adjust how your apps are displayed. All right, so you want to choose larger app icons. So under app icon size, you'll see two options: more, which shows smaller icons, and then more apps per screen. Then you've got larger, which is going to give you fewer icons, but they're bigger. So you want to tab larger, and you're going to notice a preview showing how they look. Once you select larger, your home screen instantly adjusts, and all the icons will now appear bigger and easier to tab. Just keep in mind you're going to have less on each page. Step 4 is optional, but you could increase the display zoom. So if you want everything on your screen, not just the icons, to be a bit larger, go to Settings, Display and Brightness. Scroll to the bottom and tab Display Zoom. Now choose larger text and tap Set. Heads up though, your iPad will restart to apply this change, and it could take anywhere from like 5 to 10 seconds, but once it's done, text, buttons, and other UI elements will be easier on the eyes. Pro tip here, you could also use bold text for visibility. So one more thing you can do here is you can go to Accessibility, click on Display and Text Size, and turn on bold text. This actually makes icons, labels, and app names stand out more, especially if you're trying to reduce eye strain. All right, a bonus though, you could rearrange and also declutter. So now that the icons are bigger, you could try to organize them by priority, hold and drag important apps to the first home screen and remove any of the less important ones away. All right, so to recap here, let's do that. So to make app icons bigger on the iPad mini 7, go to your settings, home screen, tab larger app icons. You could also do the display zoom for a bigger UI, or turn on bold text for better clarity. Simple tweaks, but hey, a big difference. All right, hope this helped you guys out. If you could, tap the like here, I'd appreciate it. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.